Let us understand what a GoDAM video layer is and how it helps you to boost your video marketing ROI by adding interactivity to your videos. I will visit Video Editor to add an interactive video layer. I will select a timestamp to add a layer. As you can see on GoDAM, you can use 5 different types of layers. Now let me explain each one of them. A forms layer will let you embed an in-video form to capture leads from videos. You can select any form from the available integration options like Gravity Forms, WPForms. A CTA layer allows you to insert text, image, or HTML-based call to actions within your videos to drive signups, purchases, or user engagement. A hotspot layer lets you add clickable hotspots inside your video to highlight key areas, link to pages, or display additional information. An ads layer enables you to display promotional or sponsored content within your videos, helping you generate revenue from every view. A polls layer lets you create interactive polls inside your videos to gather audience opinions, feedback, or preferences in real time. I will quickly add a hotspot layer to show how the hotspot and other layers work. You can add a link that on click will redirect the user. You also get option to add multiple hotspot within a single video. I have added all the layers starting from a hotspot layer, forms layer, CTA layer, ads layer and a polls layer to the video at my desired timestamp. Now let's visualize how our layers appear in the front end when added to a page or post on WordPress. Here appears our hotspot layer. Then appears the forms layer, and it successfully captured the subscription lead. Then appears the CTA layer ready to initiate a booking action from the video. Then a self-hosted ad video appears that helped monetize my video content. You can also integrate Google Ads and earn from them. Then appears my next layer, that is polls layer within the video. I can participate in polls right from the video without switching pages or tabs. I hope you now have an overview of how GoDAM's interactive video layers help you capture leads, monetize videos, run polls, drive actions, and increase your video marketing ROI.